Hey, it's Kiwi back with another video. So as you can see, I'm looking slayed and laid, right guys? Today's video is a little different though, but for the good. This video is truly a game changer for me, and I had to pull out some of my creative tricks, okay, just to create this look. So, why, you say? Well, if you look closely, the blood vessels in my eye have bursted. I know, you're like, OMG girl, you need to get to the doctor. But listen, I already did that, and so far I'm doing fine. But why, you ask? Well, let me tell you. Let me explain. Last week I had a crazy fall due to having a seizure. I know, right? That's scary. But chill, I'm okay, thanks for asking. But I had a seizure and it was very scary. But I did fall face first onto the concrete, and that caused me to have a huge lump on my head. The lump later healed and caused bruising to both of my eyes. So if you read the title, then you know this video is how to cover up a black eye, period. Being an influencer, my face is my moneymaker. So I really created this video and tutorial to show no matter what we go through, turn your lemons into lemonade, honey. So let's get started. So I'm starting off by doing the brows, and this was pretty hard because I do have a lump on this side right here and it kind of hurts a little bit, but I'm still gonna work through it. I'm using my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer just to sharpen up those brows, that under brow look, and I'm gonna do this to both sides. Being that I have a lump on the other side of my eyebrow, I had to make this eyebrow a little bit higher, like arch it a little bit more, because this side where I'm adding the creamy concealer to is actually making my eyebrow a little bit higher, like it's rising because of the lump. So I kind of had to create an illusion on the other eyebrow and raise it just a little bit higher. Here I'm blending in the concealer with the beauty blender, and these are the disposable ones, really quick and easy, cheap, affordable beauty blenders. So I'm just going to do that. Now I'm brushing the front of my eyebrows just to make it look more natural, and like I said, I'm creating that illusion to make it look a little bit higher. Here I am priming my face with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gentle Cleansing Lotion with hyaluronic acid, which is a dream come true. This is the second star of the show because, you know, I'm the first. But this is the 3D Contour Artist Cream Palette by Kiss. And this is what is going to help me to remove the discoloration in my face. And as you can see, it's working wonders already, and I'm only applied one layer. Do you see that? It's like magically disappeared, like a dry board eraser or something. Like it's beautiful. So I'm just patting this into my skin, and I'm trying to get it all over the discoloration on my face. I just did about 2 layers of that color cream, and it's very soft. I love it so much. It's easy to apply. And then I'm just gonna apply some concealer to my my eyelids, just because I want to add some shadows. I don't want this to be a boring look, so I'm gonna add some color to my face as well. And I'm not done. I'm gonna go back to the palette as well. Okay, so I'm gonna dive into this BH Cosmetics palette, and everything that I use in this video will be in the description bar, and the colors and the shades and everything. So if I skip a step or I forget to tell you what I'm using, just check the description bar later after this video. So I'm just going to apply this red color. It's kind of like a burgundy color, and this reminds me so much of my first video that I've ever done on YouTube, which you can see up in the cards up there. And it reminds me, this color, this burnt cranberry kind of look, just reminds me of my first video. And I think I used the OMG headband too. I'm not even sure. This is crazy, but you can check the video after this and the link in the description bar as well. So Yeah, the link will be in the description bar. But I'm just gonna fluff this into my eyelids. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm just gonna add this red and pop it into my eyelids a little bit, as you can see. Okay, so this is a little bit scary now because I did use the NYX Glitter Brilliance on top of this red shade color, and I used this in my first YouTube video. So if you've been a subby from the beginning, you know this look is like my first look. But anyways, so I'm gonna go in with some Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I have 2 colors because sometimes I can't find my exact match. You know, my skin tone is a little mixy right now, so I just used 2 colors and blended them in together. And I'm just gonna blend this in, and I'm trying not to blend too hard because I don't want the cream concealer from the 3D palette to kind of lose its color. As you can see, like underneath the eye, I've been patting, and some of it is like, you know, fading away. So I'm gonna go back in with the concealer, and I'm gonna go over it again from the 3D palette just to brighten my under eye and to also get rid of some of that discoloration that came back when I was blending my foundation. When I said I was going back in, I mean I was going in. Do you see this? I'm like patting. Oh my goodness, look at that. So you should do the same thing. So guys, as you can see, like there is no black eye anymore, no bruising. I think I deserve a subscribe right now. So pause the video and go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because your girl's over here, Kiwi. Yeah, she's doing magic tricks. She's a magician now. So just like a normal video, I'm just gonna conceal those high points of my faces, my forehead, my cupid's bow, my nose, and you know, my chin area. And then I'm gonna take this Airspun setting spray and get up underneath there. This is a very important part because you want to set that cream concealer, since I put so much. But I don't really like to bake, which I could have. I think it would have been better if I would have baked. But you know, for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna put that concealer, and I'm actually gonna pat it into my skin just so it can get in the creases, because with so much concealer that I use, it can cause a lot of creasing. So this is a very important step that you can't miss. You know what I'm saying? So that's exactly what I'm doing right here. I'm just brushing away that setting powder. So being that I added so much setting powder and now I look like a ghost, I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and in the color medium to dark, and I'm gonna contour my face, and I'm also going to sculpt my face. So after I finish contouring my cheekbones and my chin area, I'm going to start sculpting and basically adding some bronzer and bringing back that color back to my face in certain areas. So that's what I'm doing here. Here I'm going to begin to apply the Tarte Big Ego mascara in the color Big Ego. So it's a black mascara and it's a fluffy brush, which I really do enjoy. I'm gonna coat the top of my lashes and the bottom of my lashes with this mascara. So I love falsies, don't get me wrong, but I haven't really found the perfect falsies just yet. And until I do, I'm just gonna coat, you know, my regular normal lashes. I'm gonna keep it natural for now because I'm proud of my natural lashes. My lashes have came a long way, girl. Jumping right back into that True Complexion Black Radiance palette, I'm just gonna use the highlighter and I'm just gonna highlight, you know, certain points of my face That's all I'm doing here. Now I'm gonna take the Kylie Jenner lipstick. Yes, in the color Mary Jo K. It's a matte lipstick, and I'm gonna apply this to the lips just to finish up my look. I mean, striking, isn't it? I'm gonna add a little BH Cosmetics blush to the cheekbones. I did OD, but it's okay. It's okay, I can fix it. I'm already doing magic. Ta-da! So this is the masterpiece. This is the finished look. And this is just showing my triumph. Even though I had a seizure, even though I ended up in the hospital, I can do my damn thing and still make my money. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell.